Yo. Like, I don't know, I think I didn't wear this well. I don't know. But the quality is the same thing. Temu is scam. But right here, I have ordered from Temu. Let us see if they are going to scam me like they scam some people. Okay, because I always believe that, most times people don't really know how to order. So let's do this together. Now, I ordered different things, right? As you can see on the screen, around something thousand or so. So let us see if they package everything properly for me. Okay, let me drop this here. Okay, this wristband is the very first thing I can see here. It came out of this packaging here. Okay, and I think this is very solid. Look at the price I got it and how many pieces I got. I got this one when I got another color too, if I am not mistaken. So nothing is inside here. So this is the very first one. I hope you can see. This is the very first one. Now, monitor lights. I bought it for my monitor because I'm trying to rearrange my space, make it look more cool, you get. Yeah. So this is one of the things that I thought will help. So this is right here, and this is RGB according to them. And I can actually use a power bank for it. Let me get my power bank. Guys, can you see it? Automatically, this is very nice, and the weight is solid. I hope you can see it. Look at the price. I've forgotten how much I bought it, but I'm going to tell you the price on the screen right from the app, so I don't give you the wrong price. Okay, and I would have even be showing you, but I'm using two of my phones to record, so there's no way I can do that. And there's how you can set it. It's going to show just plain warm lights. So let's open this. Yes, remember I told you I got more wristband. So this is the other one. Can you see the color? Look at how beautiful this is. Can you see it? Like, this is actually very nice. And it's actually very affordable. So this right here, let me keep this aside. Okay, this is another color for the wristband. So I told you I got 3 in total. How do I even open this? Okay, this is it here. See this color? So this is the 3 I got. Look how it is. I love this. You will love it. Yeah, so I got 3 of this phone holder. Right? I got 3 of it. So this is it. I have a lot of phone stand, right? So I'll just use this to clip it. So no need for me to be changing whenever I want to shoot a video. So far, everything I've opened is actually looking solid. Okay, I think I also got more wristband. And this one is like together. Let's see. This one is fashion jewelry. Okay. Well, this is looking light. I won't lie. It's looking very light. But it's still exactly how I saw it. But just that it's looking light. Unlike this one. This one you can hear it. But this one, can you see the difference? Okay, well, this one was even more affordable than this, so it's understandable. Then what is this? I've forgotten what is this. Let us see. Okay, this is beautiful. Can you see this? So, those stuff you put on your shirts. I mean, if I wear like suit or senator, I clip smart tips there. And this was actually very, very affordable. But I hope the silver is going to last and not rust in the short period of time. Yes, so you can see this is actually very, very nice. And I love how small it is, because when I was getting this, I was seeing big in the video that is on the app, right? But I didn't want it. So this right here is SIM ejector tool. Okay, let me bring it out so you can see it. Like, so far, everything I am bringing out here, I am impressed, apart from this, bangle, because of how light it is. Okay, I got 5. Because almost every time, whenever I want to change SIM card, I keep on looking for, where is PIN, who has PIN? So I just bought 5, and I think I bought it at maybe 200 or so. I don't know, this is very, very cheap. Right, so let me carefully put it back and now look for a safe place to always keep this. So I got another bangle. I mean, I think I'm even. So both of them, both of them together. So total of 4 bangles. Yeah, I love how they are. And I know they're kind of clothes I want to wear and to complement it. So let me see if there's any small stuff money, which is no. I got a head warmer. I wanted to get exactly this color, but man, the quality, it's actually the same. And the color, you guys should let me know in the comment section. I think the color is slightly different, but wait. The quality, it's actually very similar. You know, this one I've watched it before, and you know, I've been using it for a while, right? So it's also thick, as you can see. And all those things around the side, even how this is, it also has it. Let me change this. So guys, how does this look? Let me know in the comment section. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna wear this till the end of this video. Or I have more head warmers, so I'll just try them on. So this is another one. I really love copying my hair a lot. If you guys have, I'm not sure you guys have seen my hair before. So this is another one. Yo, where are you going to? So I can do this like this or just fold it. I think that's why I got this. That's how I can fold it, and it is like the normal head warmer. There should be a logo around here. I don't know, maybe later I will just check it properly. But this quality is also the same as this. It is actually durable. Yes. It is not light like I assumed Temu with Temu. Okay. So this is solid. Yeah. Okay, and I got the same thing for black. Yo. Like, I don't know, I think I didn't wear this well. I don't know. But the quality is the same thing. But maybe later I will just check how best to, you know, put it on and all. Yeah, and finally, I got this. This is the humidifier. Okay, and how many liters? 3 liters, I think. Yeah, 3 liter capacity, as you guys can see. So, well, this feels weird on my head. I'm not used to this. Let me go back to my. So, I love the size. You guys can see the price of this on the screen right now. Okay. So, it has everything here. And I don't know what this is, but I'll just read up about this. But this is heavy. This is heavy. And this is also heavy. So I will just put water here, close it, add all this inside, and it will start humidifying I got this in my room. Yes. So far from all this I have gotten, including the head warmers, let me bring them up. I would say out of 10, I am impressed 8 over 10. And 8 over 10 is actually an A, because this is where I draw the line. This is where I draw the line. I do not like this. But every other thing over here, it's what I had in mind. Yes, it's what I had in mind. So if you want to order anything on Temu and you would not want to be Temu'd, what I did was make sure to read the description. Now, order what somebody has ordered before so they can read a review. Check the pictures, check the videos of the particular product you want to order. Okay, so that you're sure that yes, the people that got this before, you know, they either got it right or they were angry or they were disappointed by what Temu gave to them. You understand? Yes, and once you do that, I think you are good to go. Okay, make sure you check the size of what you're going for. Like this, like you said, it is 3 liters. Okay, but there are some other things that look exactly like this, but it was around 1 liter, some I think 65 cl, ml, and the rest of them. If I had gotten it just because of the picture, it would have been very small, but I had to look at the size, which is 3 liters. This is why this is 3 liter water can fit inside here. Can 3 liters fit inside here? Yes, it should, right? I'll test and let you guys know in my next video. So if you found this video helpful, do not forget to tap your screen and follow me so that, you know, I keep on giving you this smart online tips. So guys, I'll see in the comment section where you tell me if you'll be ordering from Temu or if you have been Temu'd before, okay, and if you learned anything from the video. So, see you guys.